What's up everybody, welcome back to another video here at Wall Street PR. In today's video I'm going to be going over a company known as Blue Lagoon Resources. Ticker symbol, as you can see in the top left of your screen, is BLAGF, and they're currently trading at 50 cents per share at the time of this video, which is March 18th of 2022. You can see that recently they did hit a low of 25 cents per share, and after that, since then, they have bounced back very nicely all the way up to the current price of 50 cents per share, and they do have a mini bull flag forming here on the chart. But before I give break down the chart and give my price targets and analysis and things like that, as always I want to go over the company, give a brief overview on their background and what they do, and talk about some of the recent catalysts and news going around with Blue Lagoon Resources. So with that said, if we take a look over here on their website titled bluelagoonresources.com/about, I'm on the About Us page right here. You can see that Blue Lagoon Resources is a mineral exploration company focused on its high-grade gold project, the past producing Dome Mountain mine. The drive to mine site can be accessed all year and is just a short 50-minute drive from the town of Smithers, which is located in northwestern British Columbia. The company also owns 100% of the Big Iron Copper project, also located near the town of Smithers in northwest British Columbia. And additionally, the company owns 100% of the Pellier gold property located 160 kilometers southwest of Williams Lake in the Chilliton Range of south central British Columbia. The Pellier project covers over 4,400 hectares and is known to have 10 gold-bearing veins on the property. So obviously, guys, that's just a little bit of a background on what they do. They are a mining exploration company. If we take a look at some of the recent news regarding them, you can see this was on February 1st of 2022, and it's titled Blue Lagoon adds second drill rig to its 20,000 meter drill program on Dome Mountain. Dome Mountain is the main focus. That's their main drill site right now, as mentioned on their About Us page. You can see if we scroll down here, the second drill rig will initially focus on the Boulder vein, where holes will be drilled from 2 pads, and it's directed to drill at high angle into the Boulder vein, targeting down dip mineralization below the 1,000-meter level. Utilizing HQ core, 5 to 6 holes are planned to be drilled at the same azimuth from each pad, with the goal in mind of drilling from the unknown into the unknown with strong attention to core orientation. So obviously that is also some of the recent news. And lastly, before I break down the chart, this one is from marketscreener.com on 3/17 of 2022. So this came out yesterday. It's titled Blue Lagoon Resources continues to hit high-grade gold-bearing veins in newly discovered Chance Zone. They're pleased to announce that their recent assay results from the 2021 Phase 2 drill program include new high-grade gold vein intercepts at the company's 100% owned, year-round accessible Dome Mountain gold project, located a short 50-minute drive from Smithers in British Columbia. Results from the holes continue to show that the Chance structural zone contains multiple high-grade gold-bearing veins, thus confirming it as a highly prospective target for aggressive follow-up drilling throughout the year of 2022. And these holes intercepted sulfide-bearing quartz carbonate veins with strong alteration, decimated sulfide zones in the footwall. So that is some of the recent news regarding Blue Lagoon Resources. And then to close things out, back over here on the chart, this is a pretty good looking chart, guys. They did pull back with the entire market all the way down to that low. But as of late, I mean, this is a strong bounce back. If I zoom in a little bit further, you guys can kind of see the magnitude of this. They are kind of forming a bullish flag right here. I'm going to go ahead and actually try to draw this in so you guys can kind of get the idea. They have this little move right here. They also have, let me go ahead and draw this right here, kind of the top of the flag right there. Let me go ahead and draw the other side of it right here, kind of the flagpole, so to speak, right there. And typically when you see a formation like this, guys, you do usually see further moves to the upside. A similar breakout is kind of imminent, and I do expect a move like that purely based on this fundamental chart feature that we do have going on here with Blue Lagoon. This would put them all the way up to about 65 cents per share, 70 cents per share. Obviously, I do think they could go a little bit higher, considering the fact that they were much higher in the years and months in the past. Back on about 10/16 of 2022, they were all the way up at 80 cents per share. There's no reason they can't get up there. They just kind of pulled back alongside all these other small cap stocks in the stock market these past few months as inflation was rising. There was the tension going on that's still going on with Russia and Ukraine. All of those factors played a role in the downtrend that we saw in Blue Lagoon Resources stock. So this is a very promising current trend that they do have. If I zoom in once again, you can see this RSI is indicating that they are slightly over overbought, so they could see some sort of a slight pullback before kind of completing this move. But nonetheless, guys, I do think it will be kind of slight, down to about 43 cents per share, if that. Personally, I do think they will just see this breakout, but giving the bearish case as well, I could see a move down right there, and then a further move back up to 60, 65, 70 cents plus per share in the next few weeks, in the next few months. Things do look pretty promising right here, guys, and that's exactly what you want to see. Coming off a low of 25 cents, another 50% move back up to 50 cents is really impressive. But with that said, guys, only invest what you can afford to lose. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one.